Hello, all learners. Welcome to my channel, Amazingpedia, where you amaze with every fact. So, friends, before we start, please subscribe, like, and share your valuable comments. So, today's video is amazing facts about sun that will surely make you feel amazed. Number 1. How old is the sun? Most scientists believe that sun is about the same age as earth and all other 7 planets of solar system, that is 4.5 billion years. Second, how was the sun born? It is a result of the collapse of part of giant molecular cloud that consists mostly of hydrogen and helium. Third, what type of star is the sun? The official scientific classification is G2b. Fourth, what is the sun made up of? The ball of fire consists of 74.9% hydrogen, 23.8% helium, and 2% heavier elements such as carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, iron, and neon. Fifth, sun's primary fuel is none other than hydrogen. Sixth, how does sun burn in space without oxygen? The truth is, it does not actually burn. It converts hydrogen into helium using carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen as catalyst. Seventh, at the sun's core, the temperature reaches at least 1 crore 50 lakh degrees centigrade. 8th, the surface of the sun has an average temperature of 5505 degrees centigrade. 9th, can humans land on sun? Technically it is impossible. However, Parker Solar Probe, a NASA robotic spacecraft launched in 2018, will approach to within 4.3 million kilometers. 10th, what is the sun from inside? The star of the solar system features 6 different layers: the core, the radiative zone, and the convective zone, and photosphere, the chromosphere, and the corona. 11th, the sun is at the center and the heart of solar system with its powerful magnetic and gravitational pull that keeps the solar system in order. 12th, the sun releases an enormous amount of energy by nuclear fusion in the form of radiation, electricity, and solar wind. On Earth, we get chance to receive this energy as heat and light. 13th, how far is the sun from Earth? Its mean distance from Earth is equivalent to 8 minutes 19 seconds at speed of light, or they are 14 crore 95 lakh 97,870 kilometers apart. 14. The sun's volatility is contained thanks to its tremendous gravity, which keeps the 8 planets of solar system held together. 15th, it's strong enough to hold the solar system intact primarily due to sun's size and mass. 16th, sun is the largest and most massive object in solar system. It contains approximately 99.86% of all mass in solar system. 17th, it's more than 100 Earths wide and could theoretically fit all 8 planets inside nearly 600 times or 1.3 million Earths. 18th, the sun's magnetic field, called the heliosphere, protects the planets from harmful cosmic radiation. 19th, although invisible to naked eye, the sun's surface features a few dark areas called sunspots. These strong packets of magnetism interact with Earth's atmosphere creating the so-called aurora borealis. 20. Scientists believe that sun's changes in its magnetic field influences and have an impact on Earth's pressure of Earth's atmosphere, resulting in changes in weather patterns. 21. Solar flares are most violent manifestation of sun at peak of its solar cycle. 23. The magnetic fields created by the sun can be so strong enough to disrupt communication on Earth. 24. The diameter of the sun is 8,56,658 miles or 13,78,657 kilometers larger than that of Earth. 24. The Earth is one of the Sun's many satellites alongside 7,50,000 asteroids. 26. Earth orbits the Sun at an average distance of 92,955 at an average distance of 92 lakh at an average distance of 9 crore 29 lakh 55,807 miles. 27. However, depending on the time of the year, it can be at 91 million miles or 94.5 million miles. 28. Until 16th century, it was thought that a sun orbited the earth. 29. How bright is the sun? It is 4 lakh times brighter than that of full moon and 85% of stars in Milky Way. 30. The sun is responsible for 45% of tidal forces generated on earth. The moon does the rest. 31. When the sun and moon are pulling in same direction, they are stretching the earth, thus making humans microscopically taller. 32. Every second, the sun provides the energy equivalent to 10 billion nuclear bombs. 33. The solar wind is a celestial breeze made of electrons and protons that have escaped from sun's gravity. It travels at 280 miles per second or 450.6 kilometers per second and takes up to 4 days to reach the earth. 34. The light emitted by the sun takes 8 minutes and 19 seconds to reach the earth. However, that the same ray of light is estimated to be between 50 and 1 lakh million years old by the time it touches our skin. 35. The sun rotates in the opposite direction to the earth and travels at 220 kilometers per second. 36. The sun is closest to a perfect sphere found in nature. Despite its size, only there is a 10 kilometer difference in its equator and polar diameters. 37. How long would the earth survive without the sun? Truly, that's not much. The absence of sunlight would lower Earth's temperature to about 100 degrees centigrade in a month only. 38. What is the exact color of sun? The sun is not orange, not even yellow, and not even red. It is white. 39. Who named the sun? The word sun has its origin in Old English spelling sun. 40. In ancient Greece, the big glowing star was known as Helios. In ancient Rome, the flaming orb was called Sol. In ancient Egypt, the star was named Hera. 41. Stonehenge, built somewhere between 3000 BC and 2000 BC, is aligned so that on the solstice the sun rises directly over the hill stone and the first rays sign into the center of the stone circle. 42. Greek astronomer and mathematician Aristarchus of Samos was the first person to suggest Sun is the center around which planets orbit. The theory was presented between 310 BC and 230 BC. 43. Aristarchus' heliocentric vision was later developed in detail by Nicolaus Copernicus in the 16th century. 44. A person weighing 75 kgs on planet Earth would weigh 2025 kgs on Sun's surface. 45. Between 18 and 35% of world's population sneeze when exposed to sunlight. It's the photic sneeze reflex. 46. On December 10, 2019, the Daniel K. Ione Solar Telescope took the highest resolution photo of the Sun of all time. The picture reveals the surface of the star of the solar system divided up into small popcorn-lined cells and plasma rising high into solar atmosphere. The optical instrument is located in Maui, Hawaii. 47. Indian astrologers have 12 different names and meanings for the sun, representing 12 months of the year. It starts like this: Mitra, the friend; Rabi, the radiant; Surya, giver of beauty; Bhanu, catalyst of emotion; Khaga, awesome; Pusna, nourisher; Hiranyagarbha, the all-inclusive; Marika, destroyer of darkness; Aditya, illuminator of the way; Savitra, the arouser; Orka, flash of warmth; and Bhaskara, liberator. 48. During a total solar eclipse, the human eyes can see the solar corona for a brief period. 49. The sun's ultraviolet light has antiseptic properties and can be used to sanitize water and tools. 50. How long will the sun last? In between 5 and 6.5 billion years. The sun will run out of hydrogen, turn red and expand to engulf Mercury, Venus, and eventually Earth, and then collapse into a small star called white dwarf. 51. When will the sun make life on Earth impossible? It is possible that in about 1.5 billion years, the Earth will become inhabitable. Average temperatures of 180 degrees centigrade will make it too hot and oceans will evaporate. Thank you so much for watching.